Alright, here's the couple questions you asked me. The first one was number 8. We have f of x equals 2 times 16 to the x, and it asks you to build these tables and plug in all these numbers. Well, let's start with the easy one. Let's plug in the number 1. That would be 2 times 16, which is 32. Because 16 to the 1 is just 16. Alright, I'm going to jump up to plugging in 1/2. So I would have 2 times 16 to the 1/2. What you need to remember is what fractional powers do. Fractional powers make roots. So this is 2 times the square root of 16. The square root of 16 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And we're just going to keep going here. I'll plug in a quarter. That's 2 times 16 to the 1/4. That's 2 times the 4th root of 16. Since we have a 1/4, that's a 4th root. That doesn't look very good. Let me correct it here. I can't get it to erase. Alright, well, we'll deal with it. It's 2 times the 4th root, just rewrite it, 4th root of 16. The 4th root of 16 happens to be the number 2, so that's 2 times 2, which is 4. Alright, and then we have 2 times 16 to the 3/4. 16 to the 3/4 means you're going to do the 4th root of 16, but then you're going to cube that answer. 4th root of 16 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Alright, now let's go over here and plug in 0. That's nice because 16 to the 0 is the number 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Now, what do negative powers do? Negative powers simply take things and drop them to the bottom. So this one's going to be 2 times 16 to the negative 1/4. That's 1 over the 4th root of 16. The negative power drops it to the bottom, and the 1/4 is a 4th root. That's 2 times 1/2, that's 1. This one's going to be 2 times 1 over the square root of 16. Again, the negative drops it to the bottom. That's 2 times 1/4, that's 1/2. And finally, we're going to have 2 times 1 over the 4th root of 16 cubed. It's supposed to be 16. That's 2 times 4th root of 16 is 2. 2 cubed is 8, so that's 1/8. So final answer is 1/4. Alright, this one. We're going to have 8 to the 5/3. 8 to the 5/3 means we do the cube root of 8, and then we do the 5th power. For the b's, we multiply the exponents. So that's going to be b to the 10/3. Then down on bottom, we're going to have the square root of 4 cubed. And then again, we multiply our powers. That's b to the 9/2. Alright, the cube root of 8 is 2. 2 to the 5th is 32. And then the square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. And then the b's, we're going to subtract our powers. So we're going to take 10/3 minus 9/2. I have to have a common denominator there. It looks like it's 6. So this is going to be 20 over 6. And 9 times 3 is 27. So that's minus 7 over 6. Final answer. I take 8 over 32 and I reduce. That's 4. And then the b has a negative exponent. So the b goes to the bottom. So I get b to the 7/6 down on bottom. Okay, I hope that helps. I hope that helps clear up these two problems.